Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to grow your channel subscribers on Telegram. Let's get started. Do you have a fewer number of subscribers on your Telegram channel? It is important to learn how we can attract more people to subscribe to our Telegram channel. This way, your content won't be put to waste. First, promote your Telegram channel on social media. If you have a huge number of followers on your social networks, you can take advantage of the existing followers that you have. These people are already trusting your brand, your business, or your content. You can start creating content that can promote your Telegram channel. You can inform people that they can expect different content on your Telegram channel. You can also add your Telegram channel's URL link on your bio. From your Telegram channel, go to your channel info and copy your channel's URL link and place it on your social media account's About section. Next, promote your channel on your website. If you have a blog, you can attract page visitors as they discover your content. Your blog can gain website traffic every day, and these people who discover your website through search engines like Google can also discover that you have a Telegram channel. If these website visitors are interested in your website content, they can be enticed to check out your Telegram channel and join to subscribe. Next, host a giveaway. Using your social media accounts that have already gained tons of followers, you can start hosting a raffle or giveaway. You can attract more people to subscribe to your channel once you post it on your social accounts. Your followers can learn about your Telegram channel and are more likely to join and subscribe to your Telegram channel. When you're creating the mechanics of your raffle or giveaway, include the rule that they must join and subscribe to your channel. Also, they must share the post and tag 2 to 5 of their friends. Doing this will allow your post to be viral and your channel will gain more subscribers. Next, join groups. Determine the niche of your Telegram channel. You can search for Telegram groups that are relevant to your channel's niche. Keep engaging with the other members of the group every day so that they will know that you exist and they will trust you. Once you gain their trust, you can ask the group members to join your channel, but make sure the admin of the group allows it. Just copy and paste your Telegram channel's URL link to the group, and the people in this group can easily click on your Telegram channel's link and learn about your channel. Next, broadcast consistent content. When you have gained more subscribers to your channel, you must provide content to these people. This way, they will appreciate subscribing to your Telegram channel. If people who are subscribed to your channel are not receiving new content, they might leave and unsubscribe to your channel. So you must keep on broadcasting content to your subscribers on schedule. Next, look for Telegram channel websites. You can use the Telegram catalog websites to promote your channel. You can submit your channel's information, such as the channel's name, the URL link, and the description of your channel. Once your channel is uploaded on their website, you can attract more people to join and subscribe to your channel. If you need to get free organic YouTube traffic with #1 rankings that will stick forever, we have a marketing app that can help you rank your YouTube videos using TubeRankJeet. You can get perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags. Use which keywords are easy to rank on YouTube. Get exact optimizations that you need to rank #1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags. You can optimize any video in minutes. You can find niches and keywords that can help you rank easily. Know exactly how much traffic you can expect. Discover the perfect title and descriptions. Place the perfect tags or hashtags to put in your video and attract free organic traffic without using ads. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented. Identify the keywords you want to rank, follow TubeRankJeet's instructions, and enjoy the traffic. So try TubeRankJeet now. Go to tuberankjeet.com/sales. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.